Hello, this is Liz. Welcome to my little urban homestead. Some more workings out. That's what we saw last week. And then here is what I've been trying to figure out. How long I want it, how wide I want it, what's the size I've got to add to it. And as you can see, I've got another page of it. And another page of it, and a bit more, and it did my head in. I'm not fantastic at maths, but what got me onto doing this is because I decided I saw this pattern in a quilt. So this wallpaper that I've got that has got squares on it, I use like graph paper. Absolutely brilliant. And you can see these are what's going to go down the side. That's what I did wrong. So this block and this block I will be putting top and bottom. Figured it out, I want them 2-inch squares, so that's got to be 2.5-inch raw. So I've been figuring out, because as you can tell there's a lot of half square triangles, so I'm trying to figure out a good way that I can show you for doing half square triangles, and I think I may have found it. I've been trying with some scraps and come up with this, and it's not colours that I'm going to have, and I've decided I might have half square triangles inside, because the squares aren't exactly 1 inch, they're not far off though, but so I can still use it. And now we just put them in the design that we want. You can do them any way that you want. I've been doing them with a pinwheel in the middle. So there's the pinwheel, and then building the star legs around it. But you can do it in any way you want to. This is a star leg on that one, and that one, that one, that one. Now in the centre, if I wanted, I could actually turn them all in. And that way it will give me a square and a square. White with blue. Or the other way around, to have the blue in the middle. And I might do some odd different ones to put in. You don't have to put these, you can just put white all the way around it. There's so many things you can do with half square triangles, but they're awkward and they do take quite a while. I decided the blocks that I'm going to do top and bottom of the quilt, well, top and bottom of the windows, but there are a lot of half square triangles, so I was trying to make a lot in one easy go, and it worked out. So you can do these from jelly roll, I suppose. You just need to take some off it. My piecing isn't brilliant. It was just a test, although it's in the fabrics that I will be using. My piecing isn't brilliant and my pressing isn't brilliant, so I'll be doing it slightly different next time. But out of one strip of the light blue, one strip of the dark blue, and one strip of the white, and a 2.5 inch strip, well, bits I'd got of white for these 4 corners. But I've made 3 and there's still some half square triangles left. This one, as you can see next to that one, oops, I put it in the wrong way round. Never mind, I'll sort that out in a bit. I'll just carry on making these until I've got how many I need. But I'm now going to try and put these together in a better, piecewise, better than I have been doing. So, that's it for this week. Bye!